Are you wondering what's the best portable SSD for this year? If so, stay tuned, because by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly which one to choose. In today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best portable SSDs on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. At number 5 is the Seagate Fast SSD. Seagate is a master of storage space, but it took until 2018 for the company to release its first portable SSD. With an unimaginative name that does cut to the heart of the matter, the Seagate Fast SSD aims to take on the Samsung T5 at the top of the pile. Design-wise, the drive looks like a miniature slice of bread and is available in 250GB, 500GB, 1TB, and 2TB capacities. We're reviewing the 500GB model today. This portable drive is sleek, stylish, and has a combination of hard plastic and metal for the enclosure to help with heat dissipation. The rounded edges and mirrored Seagate logo are elegant, and a two-tone gray finish is both modern and trendy. The dimensions of 94mm by 79mm by 9mm are enough to slip into a pocket, while weight is kept to just 82 grams, so it's lightweight and shock-resistant as well as compact. Moving on, there are no surprises when it comes to connectivity, with the Fast SSD employing a single USB 3.1 Type-C port positioned in the bottom corner. A small white status LED is present on the opposite end, and Seagate covers all bases by including both Type-C and Type-C to Type-A cables as part of the bundle. As for performance, with maximum sequential read-write speeds up to 500 MB per second, you'll be able to work on any project at any time directly from the Fast SSD. In addition, one of the more compelling selling points of this drive is a 2-month membership to Adobe Creative Photography Plan, which is worth $9.99 a month and gives you access to Lightroom CC, Lightroom Classic CC, Photoshop CC, and 20GB of cloud storage, which is a cool offer. Overall, creating a capable external SSD shouldn't be difficult, but Seagate has dotted the I's and crossed the T's. Outside of extreme ruggedness, this Fast SSD offers just about everything we'd want from a portable drive. The bottom line, if you are in the market for a sleek, quick, and spacious portable drive, then the Seagate Fast SSD ticks all of those boxes. At number 4 is the My Passport Wireless SSD. The My Passport Wireless SSD is an all-in-one device that has a built-in SD card reader, so you can upload your photos and videos into the portable drive's memory on the go. Design-wise, the device is square and is 13.5 centimeters on each side, so it's small enough to take anywhere. It's also built to travel with a protective rubber bumper providing protection from drops of up to 3 feet, plus shocks and vibration. As for performance, inside the unit is a 6700 mAh battery, which should last for up to 10 hours of use. It also doubles up as a power bank for charging other USB devices, so very handy for drone pilots. The hard drive transfer speeds over USB 3.0 run up to 390 MB per second, and a built-in SD 3.0 card reader with up to 65 MB per second read speeds and one-touch copy button makes it easy to quickly back up photos and videos from an SD card without a computer or additional software. Moving on, as a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C drive, this unit has crazy fast transfer speeds with up to 550 MB per second read for working out in the field. It's available in capacities from 250GB up to 1TB. And as you would expect, it's compatible with either Windows or Mac. In addition, it offers built-in 802.11 ACN wireless with the ability to access the content directly over Wi-Fi, including 4K streaming to a computer or mobile device. It also has some third-party integration with some apps including Filmic Pro. For mobile shooters, it will be very handy to have the ability to record video straight to the hard drive. To conclude, the My Passport Wireless SSD is a valuable piece of hardware for anyone creating content on the go. It's nicely designed and can be a lifesaver for anyone creating and working with large files in the field, and we think you won't be disappointed. At number 3 is the ADATA SD700 SSD. It's a sign of just how accepted 3D NAND has become in the SSD market, when it can be found being used in an external drive. ADATA's SD700 not only uses the latest TLC NAND, but it's also compact enough to fit in your pocket and has military-grade protection as well. Let's see how it stacks up. Looking at the design, the ADATA SD700 enclosure is made of metal with an outer rubber ring to help absorb any bumps and scrapes. The USB 3.1 Type-B port sits quite deep inside the enclosure, which helps prevent accidental damage to the connector with a cover that sits snugly into the opening in the drive's rubber surround. We reviewed the 256GB capacity drive, but it also comes in 512GB and 1TB sizes. The SD700 is IEC IP68 standard certified for keeping water and dust out. Plus, it will function properly even after being submerged under 4 feet of water for over 60 minutes and is military-grade shockproof. In addition, at just 75 grams, the SD700 differs greatly from the external durable storage you may be used to. This one slips comfortably into a jacket pocket. As for performance, the ADATA's new external SSD employs 3D NAND, which is a type of flash memory in which the memory cells are stacked vertically. In general use, I found the ADATA SD700 to be one of the fastest, most versatile drives I've used. Plugging it into both Mac and PC computers, the drive appears instantly on my desktop. No searching, no having to plug and unplug, it just works. Additionally, as you might expect from a drive using a solid-state drive, the SD700 has a transfer rate of 100 MB per second, which when combining with a USB 3.1, the SD700 took only 8.5 minutes to transfer a 50GB folder of small files to the drive. To conclude, ADATA SD700 SSD with its rugged design with a rubber casing gives some peace of mind that it can survive a fall and can be taken just about anywhere you need to go. The 256GB model we reviewed isn't cheap for that amount of storage space, but it's one of the fastest SSDs on the market, and if speed is what you need, it won't let you down. At number 2 is the Samsung T5 Portable SSD. The Samsung Portable SSD T5 raises data transfer speeds to the next level and unleashes a new experience in external storage. Design-wise, sporting a rugged, rounded metal unibody design, the T5 is a very compact device that weighs just 51 grams and measures 10.5 millimeters thick, allowing it to easily fit in a pocket or the palm of a hand. It also features 2 different anodized aluminum finishes, solid blue on the 250GB and 500GB models, and deep black on the 1TB and 2TB models, both of which are branded with the company and product names on both sides. On to performance with Samsung VNAND flash memory and a USB 3.1 Gen 2 interface. The T5 produces transfer speeds of up to 540 megabytes per second. That's up to 4.9 times faster than external hard drives. Transfer and backup of large-size data, including 4K videos and high-resolution photos, will be much faster and quicker. Moving on, the T5 features a single USB-C port for connectivity and is bus-powered. Samsung has included a USB-C to USB-C cable for direct connection to USB-C enabled computers, like recent MacBook Pro models and the latest generation iMac. Legacy users aren't left out to dry, however, as there's also a USB-C to USB-A cable to connect to older-style USB connections. Additionally, you can take everything, all your work and entertainment with you. The T5 gives you easy and efficient access to your massive data, so you can complete tasks faster and on the move. So you can take along your documents, large-sized photos or videos, and get things done wherever you go. In addition, the Samsung T5 is compatible with your devices, easily plugs into your PC, Mac, smartphone, or gaming console for lightning-fast access to memories, entertainment, and more. We'd like to mention it's easy to set up and protect. With just one password, the drive is safe from unwanted access and protected by AES 256-bit hardware encryption, so you can feel safe in the knowledge that your work will not fall into the wrong hands or get lost. To conclude, the Samsung T5 Portable SSD still remains one of the top external drives on the market. And for those who want a fast, portable, beautiful external SSD with offerings up to 2 TB capacities, you will find the Samsung T5 an excellent choice and comes highly recommended. At number 1 is the G Technology G Drive Mobile SSD. The G Drive Mobile USB-C external drive has forward-looking connectivity and stylish design that can help it stand out from the crowd. Design-wise, the G Drive Mobile has aluminum casing with a plastic border surrounding the sides for added durability. The aluminum has a brushed finish, giving it a soft-touch matte feel. The G Drive is really pocketable, measuring less than 4 inches by 2 inches and just over half an inch thick. The aluminum finish makes it look like a perfect match up next to the newer MacBooks. Moreover, the G Drive is built using hand-picked components to withstand harsh conditions in the field. This durable drive provides ruggedized storage you can trust. And with the G Drive Mobile SSD, you get IP67 water and dust resistance, with 3-meter drop protection and a 1,000-pound crush-proof rating, so it's pretty robust. There's one USB-C 3.0 port on the drive, with a sole LED positioned to the left. The light remains solid when plugged in and powered, and will flash whenever data is being read or written, like most cases. 2 USB cables are included for any legacy devices, with a USB-C being pretty fast, with up to 5 gigabits per second. Performance-wise, the device features transfer speeds up to 560 megabytes per second. The G Drive Mobile SSD is among the fastest external SSDs available, so you can quickly edit and save large video and photo source files. In addition, high-capacity compact storage is great for users that take their work on the go. Whether you are a photographer, an artist, a video editor, or just an avid traveler that takes your work with you, having a small, powerful backup is always a good idea. The bus powering makes the device even more portable, as there is no need to pack extra cords. To conclude, it is small, well-built, and has enough capacity to be ideal if you're a student heading to school, or a professional wanting to back up your data on the go. The premium G Drive Mobile USB-C is a higher quality option than many run-of-the-mill bargain drives, and gets a huge thumbs up from us. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this in the future. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Catch you soon.